And welcome to day 4 of our quarantine. Today, I wanted to focus on those parents and teachers that maybe need help generating worksheets for their students or children. And I wanted to share with you this website called thatquids.org, which will allow you to automatically correct on its own a variety of worksheets. As you can see on the screen, these are all the sections and the subjects that can be dealt with. There is a lot of mathematics, there are 4 languages, there's geography, and there's also a bit of science. Today I will focus on some mathematics worksheets. So as always, create an account and then log in. Once you log in, from the side, you will see the section Common Tests. In this case, I'm going to be choosing fractions and arithmetic actions related to fractions. Immediately, in the main part of the screen, I will see example of tests that will be generated. These are the simplest, level 1. As you can see, I can make things harder by moving up the different levels. I can also add a timer to the test and generate everything in random order, which is useful if you have 2 kids sitting next to each other and they might be looking over each other's shoulder. So I'm going to keep it the simplest, level 1, and I will have both addition and subtraction of different fractions. If you don't like what you're seeing, you can always press the regenerate and it will give you other options. That's all there is to it, and then you are ready to assign this to your students. So click on Assign Tests and you will see the list of all the different tests that you would have already created. The top one is the one that you've done just now. In this case, if you want to see what it looks like, just click here and you will be able to see the different way that your student will be seeing this. So as you can see here, we have the first question, 1/4 plus 2/4 equals 3/4. Okay. At the side, there will be a clock counting down, and there will also be a progression to tell you how far you are in the test. You will be able to send an email to your students with the link to the test, which is for them. So over here, I have only 2 email addresses, and I can just test it out by sending to myself and just press the send button. You will receive an email with a link, and that link will allow your student to do the test, saving the grade in the system. The grade will be both shown to the student immediately and to you by going again to this section, Grades. So for today, that's it, and then tomorrow we will try some science or language worksheets. As always, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to send us an email on info@trainingmalta.com. Bye-bye and see you tomorrow.